औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. Today we are going to start linear equation in and expression. Linear equation and expression. General form of linear equation or expression is ax plus b equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, we will get only constant term. So that's why a is not equal to 0 in this equation. X equal to minus b by is a solution or 0 of the linear expression or equation. If equation is this, then x equal to minus b by a is a solution or 0 of this linear equation, and it is called simple linear equation in one variable. Here variable x is there and only one variable a and b are real numbers. So this is called a simple linear equation in one variable. Example we are taking here. Example 1, 3x plus 5 equal to 0 is a linear equation. It is in a form of ax plus b equal to 0. The solution of this is, we know that x equal to what? Minus b by a. Here compare this, you will get a equal to 3, b equal to how much? 5. So solution or 0, we can say 0 of linear equation. Linear equation is x equal to minus as it is, b is what? 5 by 3. So this is a solution. Solution means what? It satisfies. When you substitute here, you will get left hand side equal to right hand side. Verification we are doing here. Verification of this one, whether this is a 0 of this or not. So we are taking, we are writing again equation this equal to 0. Now put the value of this. X equal to what? Minus of 5 by 3 plus 0 plus 5. Okay, we are taking here left hand side. Left hand side implies this one, or equal we take. Our given equation we are taking this. So 3 get cancelled. What we have? Minus 5 plus 5. This is how much? 0. So right hand side is also 0. So this is nothing but right hand side. That means what? At x equal to minus 5 by 3, the whole equation equal to right hand side or 0. So with this value minus 5 by 3 makes this expression or linear equation 0. So this is called minus 5 by 2 is called 0 of the linear equation. Now second example. Example 2. 8x minus 16 equal to 0. Now again compare with ax plus b equal to 0. Coefficient of x is a. A is what? 8. B is what? Minus of 16. We know that 0 of linear equation form ax plus b equal to 0 is what? X equal to minus b by a. So here x equal to minus b means minus of minus 16 by a. A is what? 8. So this is nothing but minus plus 16 by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are 16. So you will get solution as 2. Now compare it and verify it. Verification or justification, you can also say justification. Now left hand side equal to what? X minus this equal to this. Substitute here x equal to 2. 2 minus 16. 8 twos are 16. 16 minus 16 again 0. This is what? Right hand side. So this value satisfies the equation. So that value is called 0 of the polynomial. So 2 is a, therefore x equal to 2 is 0 of 0 of what linear equation, linear linear equation. So like that we can write any equation and we can get the value. Okay, another method is there. This is, if you remember formula, you can substitute in this one and you can find the value and you can verify it also. For shortcut it is very easy. If a linear equation is there, you know that minus b by a. Compare that values, get the coefficient, substitute that. Again example 3 we are taking. Okay, 3 by 2x plus 1 by 5 equal to 0. Fraction is there. Again we can compare it, ax plus b equal to 0. So solution is what? 0 or solution? 0. 0 of this equation, x equal to minus b by a. Compare, a is what? 3 by 2. B is what? B equal to 1 by 5. Now x equal to minus of 1 by 5 divided by 3 by 2. So fraction by fraction is there. So we have to write numerator as it is into, take the reciprocal of this. This is reciprocal of this is 2 by 3. Now multiply it. Minus 2 ones are minus 2. 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So this is your solution. 0 of the polynomial, minus 2 by 15. Now substitute here. If it is equal, then good. Verification. What we are doing? Verification. Left hand side of linear equation is this part. 2 by 3x plus 1 by 5. Now substitute 2 by 3 into what? Minus 2 by 15 plus 1 by 5. Now simplify it, you will get what? Minus 4. Minus 2 plus 2, 4. 2 2s are 4, plus into minus minus. Here, what we are getting here? We are getting here 345 plus 1 by 5. Now LCM you have to take. LCM of these two number is, just you can take right here, 45, 5, it goes with 5, 5 ones are, 5 nines are, it goes with 9, so 1 1, 5 into 9, 45. So LCM is 45. 45 goes with 45, you will get minus 4. Plus, this goes with this. Something we have done mistake. Where is that? Minus b. This is 3 by 2. This goes up. Minus 2 by 15. Achha, here I have written wrong. 3 by 2, I am writing here 2 by 3. That's why we are getting some less numbers. So I am writing here. That's why. Just by saying that it's not become 0. That's why I am worried. So whenever we are to make 2 lengthy, here 3 by 2, I have taken 2 by 3. That's why it's not coming. Now x, this is what? 2 by 15 plus 1 by 5. 2, these 2 get cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 5s are, get cancelled. So you will get minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. If you take LCM, or otherwise you can cancel, plus half, plus 1 by 2 minus 2, this is 0. So I have done here mistakenly I have taken 3 by 2 instead of 3 by 2 I have taken 2 by 3. That's why we are not getting that 0. Now we got 0 here. So that's why this is equal to right hand side. That means I can say that this is a 0 of the polynomial. Okay, make that correction. Now fourth example. something different here we are looking here, but we have to compare with the given linear equation. Again, what is that? X value is a coefficient of A and constant term is B. So this is nothing but we can move this other side also. If you move this other side, then this is nothing but 8 minus goes to that side, plus 8 by 5x, minus this plus goes to that side, so this is 2 by 7 equal to 0. Now it is in a form of ax plus b equal to 0. For this, solution is what? X equal to minus b by a. So a is what here? A is nothing but 8 by 5. B is nothing but minus 2 by 7. So solution is what? X equal to minus minus 2 by 7 divided by 8 by 5. So this is nothing but plus of 2 by 7. Write this number as reciprocal 5 by 8. If anything goes, yes, goes 1s are 4s are 5 1s are 5 divided by 28. This is a solution. Now verification, if you want to verify, you can verify or check the answer is true or not. That solution is true or not. Put that value left hand side is what? 2 by 7 minus 8 by 5x. This is our left hand side. Now substitute here 2 by 7 as it is minus 8 by 5. X is what? X is nothing but this 5 by 28. 5 get cancelled. This goes with 4 2s are, and this goes with 4 7s are 28. Now what you will get here? You will get that 2 by 7 minus, here you are getting 2 and 7, 2 by 7. 2 by 7 minus 0. 0 is nothing same, that for right hand side it is equal to right hand side. Hence we will get 0 because of the x value is 5 by 28. That's why this is a correct answer or 0 of the polynomial. Using this formula we can find. Now we are going to find without using formula. Same thing is the linear equation, but we are going to find without formula. Just interchange or move the value other side. How typical it will be, no need to worry about is that. Okay, fifth one, no need to worry. Fifth is given, suppose 3x minus 9 equal to 0. This is equation. Now solution of this is nothing but given equation we have to write 3x, EQ means equation, 3x minus 9 equal to 0. Move this constant first. So 3x equal to, minus moves that side, 9. X equal to 9. It is in multiplication, it goes in denominator of other side. So you can get cancel. This is 3. X equal to 3 by 1. 3 by 1 is always 3. Why? Because in denominator 1 is there, so there is no need to write. So this is your solution. Solution is what? Solution of this equation of EQ means equation, x equal to 3, or this is called 0 of linear equation. Linear equation, given linear equation. Now verification, you can verify it also. Now we are going to write 3x minus 9. This is our left hand side. Okay. Now substitute 3. X value is 3 minus 9. So 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9 minus 9, that is 0. This is equal to what? Right hand side. So like this, we can just moving the value from left side to right side, make x as a single without coefficient. Coefficient of x should be 1, then we will get the solution. If coefficient of x is 1, then we get the direct solution. Now we are going to find next equation. Say example, next example. 2 by 7x plus, we are taking plus 15 by 17 equal to 0. Something typical value is there. Whether we are getting exact 0 or not, we have to check that. Now move this number again that side. So this is nothing but 2 by 7x equal to minus 15 by 17. Again this number to that, x equal to, denominators goes up, numerators comes down. So this is 15 by 17 into 7 goes up, 2 comes down. So this is like that. If any number is which make it cancel, no. 2 does not go with this. 7 not done. So this is 15 sevens are 15. 5 sevens are 35. 3. 5 ones are 5. 1 not 5. Divided by 34. So this is a 0 or solution. 0 of linear equation. Now check that whether it makes 0 or not. X value this makes this whole function as 0 or not. Verification. Verification is here. So we have to write left hand side equal to 2 by 7x plus 15 by 17. Now 2 by 7 as it is. We are not making any. Now 105 divided by 34 plus 15 by minus is there. Oh, we have not put minus. That's why I am worried. Why we are not getting any negative sign here? Okay. Now it is minus. Be careful writing the sign also. So now this is 17 za. 2 ones are to get 7 za. Okay. Now it goes 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 7 ones are 7. You will get 3, 7 fives are, or 7 sevens, 7 fives are, no? Yes, 7 fives are. 7 fives are 35. 7 fives are 35. Okay. Now how much this? This is nothing but minus 15 by 17 plus 15 by 17. One value, a plus a minus. 15 by 17 plus 15 by 17 is minus, so this is nothing but 0. This is equal to right hand side. Therefore, this value 1 minus 105 by 34 is a 0 of this polynomial, or solution of this polynomial. Like that we can solve number of questions using this. Move the constants, move the coefficients, you will get the value of x at coefficient of x should be 1. Whenever coefficient of x is 1, then the value is, the whole value of the x is known as 0 of the polynomial. Now some questions. Which of the following is a linear equation in one variable? First question is there. One variable and linear equation. 13x plus 18 by 2 is 0. Here x is variable, these two are a and b. So this is also a linear equation. Here 29 minus 17 by 2y, variable as y, and it is a and b. A is not equal to 0. That's why this, here a is not equal to 0, b is there, a is not equal to 0, b is there. Again this is equal to some value that is 0. 50 by 17 equal to 9x. If you move this number, you will get here 0 equal to some 9x minus 50 by 17. Or you move this side. This also a single variable equation, linear equation in one variable. All are linear equations, so D is your answer. Which one is not a linear equation? Here 8x plus 5 equal to 0 is a linear equation. Here 8 by 3 y minus 1, again it is a linear equation. Not equation, we have to pick. Here x and y, 2xy plus 5 equal to 0. So here two variables are given in a product form, so this is not a linear one. Here we have two numbers, many constants you can have. You can make these two constants as a single also. Here one variable with a value is not equal to 0. So these are three equations, and this one is not a linear equation. Why? Because C is C have one term as in which two variables are there, so it is a quadratic form. Two double degree, this is single degree, linear equation is always single degree. Here double degree is there, that's why it is not a linear equation. Another examples we can take, okay, these two bits. Now three bits are there. If 2x minus 3 equal to 4x plus 5, then x value is dash. Bits are given. Now we have to make solution of this. Solution of 3 we are doing here. First solution, what given? 2x minus 3 equal to 4x plus 5. Move the numbers to this number is there. We are moving this number that side and 5 constant one side, variables other side. So 4x minus 2x. This plus becomes that side, move to 4 side gives minus negative of this one. Again this number from 4x to this side, so it is minus 3 as it is minus 5. So this is 2x equal to minus 8. That implies 2 in denominator, x equal to minus 8 by 2, that is 4. Minus 4. Where is that? A bit. So A is your answer. So this is a solution for third question. Now solution, if 3x plus 3 equal to x minus 2, then x equal to dash. Compare again this equation, make one side all are variables and other side all constants. So this is less value, x is there, 3x is, we are moving this side, this number to that side. So this is 3x minus x equal to minus 2 and goes, the 3 goes that side, again minus 2, plus 3 goes to equal other side. So this is minus 2. 3x minus 1x is 2x. 2x equal to again minus 5. That implies x equal to, it is the 2 is in product form with x, it goes in denominator, minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2, where is that? 2 by 5 minus 2 by minus 5 by 2, see. So this is here fourth solution. Now we are going to find the fifth one. So I will rub these two. This is over now. Yes, up to this I am rubbing. Okay, finish. Now this one. This is a something different here, but you have to simplify it as your algebraic methods. Don't worry about this. So this is in a fraction form. So cross multiply it, you will get the equation a times x plus 1 equal to 3 times 2x plus 3. Now making 8x plus 8 equal to 2 3s are 6x, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 8 into this, 8 1, 2 3s are 6x, 3 3s are 9. Now move these numbers. 8x minus 6x equal to, when you get this side, it is negative. If you move this constant that side, 9 minus 8. So this is nothing but 8 minus 6, 2x. Again 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. So this is your solution. Where is that? 1 1 1 D. D is your solution of this question, fifth question. Like that we can solve the linear equation moving the numbers one side constant variables, another side make simplify it to get coefficient of x as 1. Whenever coefficient of x is 1, the value of that is called solution or zero of the polynomial or linear equation. Now question number 6. If x by 2 plus x by 3 equal to 5, then x value is, so the solution, see the solution here. Solution of 6 is x by 2 plus x by 3 equal to 5. Now here we have to take LCM. LCM of these two is 2 3s are 6. Cross multiplication type. 3 into this 3x plus as it is 2x. 2 into x, 2x equal to 5. Now move this number to the denominator. When changed to left side, it is in multiplication form. That is 3x plus 2x equal to 5 into 6. So this is 5x equal to 5 into 6. X equal to 5 into 6 by 5. 5 get cancelled, you will get x as 6. So where is that? B. B is your solution. For question 6, B is your solution. Now question 7. See question number 7. So solution of 7. What is here? 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 times 2t plus 1. Then you have to find the value of that. Multiply it. You will get 3t. 3 into t, 3t. 3 3s are 9. 5 into 2, 10t. 5 2s are 10t. Plus 5 1s are 5. Now move this number. This is the smallest one. So move that side. 10t minus 3t equal to. Move this number to this side. Minus 9 minus of 5. So this is 7t equal to minus 14. T equal to minus 14 by 7. 7 1s are 7 2s are. So t equal to minus 2 by 1 means minus 2. Where is that? A. So this is your A. Like this we can solve the other three also. So shall I rub this? Now I am rubbing also these two problems. So we will see the solution. Now solution of 8. Solution of 8 is what? P plus 7 divided by 3p plus 16 equal to 4 by 7. Now cross multiply it. So you will get 7 times p plus 7 equal to 4 times 3p plus 16. This is our equation. Make it 7 into p, 7p, 7 sevens are 49. This is 12p, 6 24, 2, 6 ones are 6, 4 ones are 4 plus 2, 6, 64. Now move this value, 12p, move this to that side, minus 7p equal to, again we have to move this number to this side. So 49 as it is minus 64. So what we are getting here, 12p minus 7p is nothing but 5p. Here this will make a larger number. 14 minus this is 5. Here 5 minus 4 is 1. Negative is larger, so we have to put that. P equal to minus 15 by 5. So this is nothing but minus 15 by 5. This is minus 3. P is minus 3. This C is your answer. So up to 8 over. Now this is give statement type questions are given. So copy this, pause and write the all equation. So now see that the other we have to do. I am going to rub all these things. Now you have to make a equation. Equation is not there. Sum of 3 consecutive integer is 51. The middle number is what? B bits are given. We know that consecutive means one after the other. So let first number be x. The next consecutive number is x plus 1. Another consecutive number is x plus 2. The sum of this all is how much? 51. Therefore, we can write x plus 1. Another number is x plus 2 equal to 51. So this is x, 3x plus 1 plus 2, 3 equal to 51. 3x equal to 51 minus 3. 3x equal to 51 minus 3. So 3x equal to 48. x equal to 48 by 3. So this is 16. So x is 16. What we have to find? The middle one. 16 is one number. X is what? X is 16. X plus 1 is 16 plus 1, that is 17. X plus 2 is what? 16 plus 2, that is 18. The middle number is 17. So D is our solution. Like that we can get the, first you have to frame a linear equation. Consecutive numbers means one after the other. So x is our first number, then x plus 1, x plus 2. Make it equation, linear equation, solve it, you will get the middle term, that is 17. And the 10th one is the sum of the two numbers is 29. If one number is 5 greater than the other, then the bigger one. Again we have to frame a equation. Now see the solution of this 10th question is two numbers. Sum of two number is 29. If one number is 5 greater than the other, let first number be x. So other number is 5 greater than this. 5 greater means we have to add. This is two numbers. That means x plus 5 equal to 29. Now x plus x, 2x plus 5 equal to 29. So this is 2x equal to 29 minus 5. So this is nothing but 2x equal to 29 minus 5 is 24. X equal to how much? 24 by 2, that is 12. If x is 12, the other number is x plus 5. 12 plus 5, that is 17. What you have to find? The greater number. Then the bigger number is, the bigger number in between 12 and 17 is 17. So C is our bit. Like that we can solve the number of problems using linear equation or linear expressions. Thank you.